So baby, pull me closer in the
backseat of the Rover.
that I know you can afford. Like that
Tattoo on your shoulder.
for the
I told you
or
guys.
that from your
roommate back
In Boulder, we ain't ever getting older.
I was doing just fine before I met you. Drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again.
Honestly, go fuck your best, yeah.
I know it breaks my heart. We moved to the city and I broke